Let us start with the third sum. Two equations are given: x plus y is equals to 0, 2x minus y is equals to 9. Okay. Now here for the graph I plotted x and y axis. This side we know it is always positive, this side it is negative, positive, negative. So negative terms we are writing denoted as dash. So I'll put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same way to this side. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and so on. Here also we have studied in lower classes. This is first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. First, both the axes they are positive. So first I'll write the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same way this side. So write down -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. And very important is scale. Scale will remain same. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on both the axes. Compulsory you have to write down the scale without fail. Now we have to start plotting the graph. But for that we should have the values, no? Coordinates of x and y, that we don't have. So first what we have to do, we have to find out the values for or coordinates of x and y. Okay. Now first we'll take the equation x plus y is equals to 0. Now you can do one thing, either shift this x to this side or y to this side. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll shift x to this side, so the equation will become y is equals to -x. Now we have to consider the value of x. Suppose let us take 2. When I'm taking 2 value of x as a 2, so what value for y I'm getting? -2. So coordinates will become 2 and -2. Same way I'll take, this is our equation, no? So same way I'll take 0. If I'll take 0, this will become 0. So 0, 0. Next I'll take x is equals to -2. Let's see, minus and value of x I'm taking as -2. So this will become minus minus plus 2. So value for y we got +2. So -2 and 2, these are the coordinates for x and y. Now let us take 1. If I am taking value of x as 1, so value of y will become -1. So 1 and -1 is are the coordinates for x and y. Now let us see the second equation, that is 2x minus y is equals to 9. So what I can do, I will shift this y to this side. Okay, so it will become positive, and 9 to this side. So plus 9 will become -9. So therefore y is equals to 2x minus 9. Now I can take any value for x, and so I'll get the value for y. Suppose this is the equation, correct? So I'm taking x is equals to as let us take 0. You can take any values, no? Negative also, positive also, but it should be not that big numbers. It should be lesser one, like till 4 you can take -4 and 4. So I am taking value of x as 0. Let's see now what value we are getting for y. 0 minus 9, so we are getting here -9. So when we are taking 0, by value of y we are getting -9. Next we'll take 1. Okay, so let us take 1 over here. So y is equals to 2x minus 9. So take 2 into 1 minus 9. 2 ones are 2 minus 9. So plus minus minus, but sign we have to consider of greater number. So greater number is over here is what? 9. So we'll get -7. So here we'll get -7, that is 1 minus 7. Okay. Now next I'll explain again. See, when I'm taking this equation, we have to make it simply. simple. So I'll take y this side. So if I am taking minus y to this side, it will become plus y, and plus 9 to this side, so it will become minus. So this is what one equation we got. Now we can take any value for the x. So here I have taken x is equals to 0, substitute, and I got the 9 answer. Next I have taken the value for x as 1, so we got 9 minus 7. Now let us take one more. Let us take 2. So 2x minus 9. So when I am taking 2 over here for value of x, so it will be 2 to the 4 minus 9. Again minus plus sign is there, we have to subtract, but consider the greater number sign. So 9 is greater, so sign will come minus 5. So here we'll get minus 5. So 2 and minus 5, these are the coordinates. One more value we'll take. We'll take 3. Okay. So y is equals to 2x minus 9. X value I am taking 3. So 2 into 3 minus 9. So 2 3s are 6 minus 9. So answer will get minus 3. So here write down minus 3, 3 and minus 3, these are the coordinates. Now with the help of these values, let us plot the graph. Now first we'll take this first equation, that is x plus y is equals to 0. We'll start plotting the, putting the points on this graph. Okay, this is very important. This side it is plus, this side it is minus. Again plus and minus. Right hand side is always plus. Now here 2 and minus 2 is given. So let us see 2 and minus 2. So on x-axis plus 2 and y-axis minus 2. So which side it will come? X-axis 2 and y-axis minus 2. So this side in the 4 quadrant we will get this point. Okay, this way you have to show. Next is 0, 0. So 0 will come over here, origin. Okay. Next is 2, minus 2 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis. So it will come in the second quadrant, third quadrant. Sorry, second. This is first, second, third. So minus 2 and on x-axis and plus 2 on y-axis. So here we'll get the point. Okay. Next is 1 minus 1. Again positive 1 and negative 1. So positive means that is of 1 this side, x-axis, and this is y-axis. So here, okay, now next what we have to do, we have to pass a line through this point, exactly through this center. Okay, done. See, while plotting the graph, we have to use pencil. I am using pen because if I use pencil, you will not able to see it clearly. So that is the reason I am using pen. Next, this is the equation for x plus y equals to 0. Now next we'll take y, this equation. Okay. Now 0 and minus 9. 0 on x-axis and minus 9 on y-axis. So where it will come? This side. Here. Okay. Next, plus 1 minus 7. So plus 1, first you have to fix that quadrant. Okay. X-axis plus 1 and minus 7. That means minus sign this side. So it will come here. Okay. Next 2 and minus 5. Plus 2 and minus 5. And next 3 and minus 3. 3 and minus 3. So we have to pass the line through this point. Okay. Now we have to see where the points they are intersecting. You can see here plus 3 and minus 3, here point of intersection we got. Correct? We will label this line. This is for x plus y is equals to 0, and this is for 2x minus y is equals to 9. Without fail you have to write. And this point of intersection is what? 3 and minus 3. Okay. So finally you have to write down the answer, that the solution or the coordinates of the point of intersection are 3 and minus 3. The coordinates of the point of intersection are 3 and minus 3. Okay, and at the end also, here also you have to specify answer the solution of the given simultaneous equations is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 3. That's it. Okay, it's very easy. First you have to find out the values for the given equation, then plot the graph. Exactly in the center you have to draw this two line, x-axis and y-axis. This side always see right hand side is always positive, so 1 2 3 these are the positive term. First quadrant is both positive positive, second it is negative positive, third both negative, and fourth it is positive negative. Okay, then with the help of points draw the line, and then you have to see the point of intersection. So here finally I got the point of intersection, that is 3 and minus 3. So this is got the solution for the given two simultaneous equation.